Good game plan is the key to success. When my team hits the field, we always have a game plan.
You should take the same approach with emergency planning. That's why Coach O and I urge you to get a game plan to make sure you, your family, and your pets are safe this hurricane season. Visit GOSEP's GetAGamePlan.org and download the new and improved Get a Game Plan app for important emergency planning information and tools to keep you safe.
Take advantage of the time you have before an emergency. Finalize your plans. Have 3 days worth of supplies and other essentials in your emergency supply kit. Contact your parish OEP office if you have medical or transportation issues that will make it difficult to evacuate.
You play an important role in making our emergency plans work. Take the time to learn your responsibilities.
Like I always say,
one team, one heartbeat.